How to fix a blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. Let's get right into the video. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your WhatsApp application. Just tap on it. And once you open up the app, what you need to do is, if your profile picture is blurry on WhatsApp, you need to first head over to the three lines at the top right. And then another menu will appear. Tap on Settings. Once you get to the settings menu, you can tap on your profile picture by tapping right there. And once you have tapped on your profile picture, all you need to do is just tap on it to view your profile picture. And if you think that your profile picture is blurry, then just go back first. And once you get back from your settings, scroll down until you find storage and data. Now tap on it. Then you're going to have to tap on media upload quality. So make sure that once you tap on it, you set this to HD quality. So tap on HD quality and then click on the save button. Once you have done that, you can just go back and then re-upload your profile picture on WhatsApp. After doing so, your profile picture will not be blurry anymore. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.